Hey everyone! If you've ever had a clear phone case, you know how fast it can go from brand new to a yellowed, grimy look. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean that transparent phone case to make it look as close to new as possible using simple, safe household items. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, grab a small bowl and fill it with warm water. Add a few drops of mild dish soap. Just enough to create some bubbles when you mix it. We want something gentle, especially if your phone case is a soft TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane, material. Research from the American Cleaning Institute explains that warm, soapy water can break down surface-level grime and oils without harming soft plastics. Once you've got your soapy mix ready, place your phone case into the bowl, making sure it's fully submerged. Let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps loosen any surface-level dirt or stains that might have built up. Now, grab an old toothbrush or a soft cloth and gently scrub around the edges and corners. Remember, these are spots where grime loves to hide. And why the toothbrush? Studies from Good Housekeeping suggest that soft bristles are great for detailed cleaning without scratching or damaging materials like plastic. Alright, if your case is still looking a bit dingy, especially if it has yellowed areas, it's time to bring in some baking soda. Sprinkle a small amount onto the case and add just a drop or two of water to create a paste. Then, using the same toothbrush, gently scrub the stained areas. Baking soda is mildly abrasive but safe, which makes it perfect for tackling tough, stuck-on stains without scratching. Plus, baking soda is famous for its stain-removing power. This tip comes from DIY experts at the University of Illinois, who recommend baking soda as a go-to for mild, safe stain removal on plastics. Once you're happy with the scrub, rinse your phone case under cool, running water to wash away all the soap and baking soda. Make sure every bit of residue is gone because leftover soap can actually attract dirt faster. If you've ever noticed things getting dirty soon after cleaning, sometimes soap residue is the culprit, as noted in household cleaning guides from Better Homes and Gardens. If there are still yellow stains, try using some white vinegar. Pour a small amount of vinegar into a bowl and let your phone case sit in it for another 10 to 15 minutes. White vinegar has natural acidity, which can break down discoloration, and according to Cleanopedia, vinegar is a top pick for removing mineral and organic stains from surfaces. Note: for those with very sensitive skin or a strong dislike of vinegar smell, you might want to wear gloves or make sure to rinse the case thoroughly afterward to neutralize any odor. After the vinegar bath, give it a final rinse with cool water, then pat it dry with a soft cloth. Make sure the case is completely dry before putting it back on your phone. Even a tiny bit of moisture can get trapped between the case and phone, leading to annoying condensation marks or even potential damage. And that's it. Your transparent phone case should now look as close to new as possible. Using a few household ingredients, you've given your case a whole new life without any harsh chemicals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and share it with friends who might be facing the same issue. And, of course, feel free to leave any questions or tips in the comments below.